Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to scan Wi-Fi QR code in any Samsung phone. If you are using any Samsung phone and you want to scan Wi-Fi QR code, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your quick settings, then keep a long press on Wi-Fi, select details. It will open in your phone settings. You must have to select this scanner option. Once you have that, your camera will be opened. You must have to select the QR code which you want to scan. As for example, I'm going to scan the QR code to this phone. Just open QR code here and put it on the phone camera and it will be scanned. And your Wi-Fi will be automatically connect. So that's how you can easily scan Wi-Fi QR code in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.